Hey everybody, welcome back to school. Here is the instructional video on how to log in to my computers, my desktop computers for the first time. So I'm going to be following these instructions. Okay, and you could actually use that QR code and watch this video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do, step one, is wake your computer up or turn it on. So to wake the computer up, I'm going to switch this. To wake up the computer, shake the mouse, hit a few keys on the keyboard, and if the monitor is still not turning on, then you need to turn on the computer. So to turn on the computer, if your tower looks like this, here is your power button. If your tower looks like this, this is your power button. Okay, then you just wait for the computer to boot up. Okay, once the computer is on, like this, I'm going to go with step 2 here. Click Other User if necessary. Well, I've got this screen going on, so I'm just going to click in the middle of the screen. And it gives me this. Okay, well, you're not Tracy Weber, so down here you need to click Other User. Okay, and then your username will either be your first and last name like mine, or your first initial and last name like that, and the password for now is going to be blank, okay? So I'm going to pretend for a minute that my name is Joe Smith, and I'm going to type in, and it's all lowercase with no spaces, J Smith, and I'm supposed to leave password blank. So I'll click the arrow, and then I get this message. The username or password is incorrect. Try again, okay? So it's probably not J Smith. It's probably the whole name, Joe Smith. And then click the arrow. Okay, and this is what you want to see. The user's password must be changed before signing in. Okay. So now that's my username. I need to remember that. The password that I just tried to use is blank, so you leave that blank, and now you can make up your own password, whatever you want. Make it something that's easy for you to remember, okay? And then you're going to type it in a second time, and then click the arrow, and it says, unable to update the password, the value provided for the new password does not meet length, complexity, or history requirements of the domain. Oh, okay. So I'm going to leave that blank. So then I'm going to just try a different password. Oh, passwords don't match. Okay. And then it will show changing password. This part can take a long time, so you just have to be patient. By the way, whenever you sit at a different computer in this classroom, this might happen. So, or when you have to change your password, just know that it does take a little bit longer to do. But the next time when you come in this room at this computer, it won't take as long. Yay. Okay, then you'll see your password has been changed, and then okay. And then it'll show you that it's logging you in. Okay, and it's getting everything ready for you, it says. And in the list of the instructions, we have now gone all the way down to here. So it says click OK when it confirms that your password's been changed. We did that. And now once it finally lets us in, we're going to go to our Google Classroom. And you're going to join our class. The code is on the whiteboard. Right there is your code. Find today's lesson for your class. Find your class. Find today's lesson. And then get started.